Did you know that just 30 minutes of cycling can boost your heart health as effectively as a gym workout? Stay tuned to learn an amazing indoor cycling hack. Don't let limited space or equipment stop you from experiencing the incredible benefits of cycling. Transform any chair into a cycling station using resistance bands as makeshift pedal tensioners. Simply secure the bands to create resistance while performing cycling motions. This innovative approach increases your heart rate and enhances blood circulation, leading to improved cardiovascular endurance. Studies show that this modified cycling technique can reduce joint pain by up to 25% through better muscle oxygenation and faster recovery times. The controlled resistance also helps maintain proper form, preventing strain while building strength in your legs and core. Even in small spaces, you can achieve the same endorphin release and mobility benefits as traditional cycling. Ready to try this game-changing fitness hack? Share your experience in the comments below.